For a video, isn't it?
Speaking of,
It's alright,
When I
I'll
told
edit
them
it out.
to stay at your house, the first time when I got home, they had pooped on my pillow. Where if I had to turn on a light, just
Sharon's kid.
Yeah.
He's the one that was lost for weeks.
Yep.
In your woods.
he's missing teeth, right? That's why he looks snarly.
Yes, he's missing a fang.
He's very, very old.
He's about 20 years old.
Donna's cat's about 20 years old too.
it's Rachel's age.
Rachel's 20.
Nope.
Darnus, that was a kitten she rescued in Modesto.
Okay,
Just
so he's
before
18.
Just before
That would have
Rachel
been in
was born.
'89, so she's only 19 years old. Well, not even, only 18 and a half.
Still.
Well, I thought we
That's old.
decided he was born in
We should put it to
89.
sleep.
Well,
I
I'm-
keep telling her to bring it down.
I know he was 5 years old when we got him in
Donna's
94.
cat.
Dan thinks you should put
I
it to
think you should
sleep.
put it out of its misery and put it to sleep. Tell her, bring it down here, I'll take care of it for you.
He's been saying that
Is
since
it
it was a
miserable?
kitten.
It's a miserable cat.
It's a miserable cat.
Don't you think so?
Well, it's always been miserable behavior and all that.
That's what Dan
He doesn't growl at me. She doesn't.
means.
Man,
She hates Dan so
that cat
much.
I
hates me
can't
so-
blame her.
How hardly ever see her.
Well, you used to see her a lot more often than that. Your mouth looks funny. And your eyes look strange.
Yeah, he was strange. Actually, he looks
So-
better than he did 6
Couple
months
weeks
ago.
ago, yeah. But see, look how he's got this indentation in his back right there. That's how Bridget was. Just got skinnier and skinnier. Yeah, you just got skinnier. You know what you're talking about. You don't.
Has he jumped on your stomach yet?
Main problem, he's got bad